Hey everyone, it's Mari. Welcome to the channel. I have a fun honeybee stamps project for you today using the United We Stand stamp set and coordinating honey cuts. And it is red, white, and blue theme week over on the blog and the YouTube channel. And so I am going to be doing a red, white, and blue theme project today. And I'm going to start off here by stamping out the American flag here with some cherry red ink from Gina Stamps. I'm stamping that onto some Nina 80-pound cardstock here in my mini Misty. I'm going to also stamp the star portion of the flag with some denim blue from Gina K. And you'll just notice that I am stamping these out separately, the stars and the stripes. I am going to cut these out with the coordinating dies. And I am also going to just use my Stampendous pressure tool here to help me get a really nice solid image with my stamping. These are the coordinating dies from the coordinating honey cut set United We Stand. And I'm just going to be using those two coordinating dies to cut out my flag elements. Now this is a radiant heart die or honey cut from Honeybee. I love this background die. I think it's really fun, and it's going to, I'm not actually going to reveal that heart element there. I'm going to be covering that up. I'm going to do some stenciling over top of this piece with some gold medium. This is some, I'm going to be using some Vicky Boutin Creative Effects gold paste here through my Twinkle Twinkle background stencil from Honeybee. So the stencil that I'm using over top of the radiant heart background is a star stencil. Really love it. And this gold paste is just going to reveal some really beautiful gold stars, which I thought looked really nice. It just kind of looks like a starburst behind the flag. And I'm going to center the flag where that heart is so that you, like I said, you don't actually end up seeing the heart. So I'm just going through this, going over the stencil with this medium. It does spread really nice and smoothly over this stencil. I love this medium. It's a lot of fun to use. Just going to pick out a little bit more here with my Nuvo spatula and finish that up here on my Wendy Vecchi Make Art Station. I really love this mat because of the magnetic feature and the magnets. Really nice for stenciling. I'm going to add some repositionable adhesive on the back of my card panel. I'm going to add that to some Gina K denim blue cardstock, and that's just going to show through where the lines from the radiant heart die cut away from the white cardstock. I'm going to back this with some foam adhesive here so that my card front panel is going to be popped up and dimensional on my card base. So I'm just going to finish that. I will take the backer off of that foam tape and add that to a red card base. And so my card is going to be red, white, and blue, which goes along nicely with, obviously, with the red, white, and blue theme for this week. And of course, this very nice patriotic flag that this stencil or this stamp set creates with United We Stand. I love it. I'm going to pop up my flag with some foam adhesive here. I'm going to take the backing off of that and adhere that over top of that heart. I'm just going to center it over the heart there. And then I will do the same thing with the star portion of the flag. Just got that popped up on some foam adhesive. I'm going to use my Honeybee Stamps tweezers. I think I did that off camera, but I did use my Honeybee tweezers to help me get that located in the right spot. And this is the America the Beautiful sentiment from the United We Stand set. I've stamped that out with some VersaFine Clair Twilight ink, and I've covered that with some clear embossing powder. I've melted that now, and I'm going to die cut that out with a coordinating die that's in the United We Stand honey cut set. I'm going to put a little bit of foam adhesive on the back of that sentiment and pop that up on the lower portion of the stripe area of the flag, and that's going to finish off my card. I have linked up to all of the products that I've used from the Honeybee shop in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out all of the projects this week on the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel and on the blog. So much great inspiration for Red, White, and Blue week. Lots of fun, and I've just really loved seeing the team's different projects and so much creativity. It's just so awesome. Thank you for joining me here today, friends. Have an amazing day, and happy 4th of July for those of my American friends who are watching. Bye-bye.